Okay, so we haven't done a market update for a little while here, so I thought I'd update you on where we are in the major markets that we love to trade here at Trading College. We're going to start here on the German DAX daily chart, and we've certainly been red and down. So once we got that signal at 15,658, we are coming into first profit target on our red pro trading system here today, guys. Today being 26th of September. So that's a really nice move. I mean, that's a nice 400-point move to the downside. Good time to take some profits here, or at least move the stop, turn on the trading stop feature. We've got more potential for the downside here in these indices. I've got 14,815 that the system has generated automatically, and it looks like we're going to be heading down to this area. Okay, so we've been looking for these shorts. We had a nice move down here, medium move, small move, and now we're getting a nice solid move here to the downside. US markets, let's take a little look if we can find the NASDAQ, because this one for me was the really fun trade to short. We had a sell signal here at 15,258, 972. Next one is 14,433. We're well underway with our momentum indicator down below. I'm not saying it's going to just fall all the way down there, because any rally looks like we're sort of setting up some hammer reversal candlesticks today. So let's see what the US session does this afternoon. But I think even if we do rally into here, we're going to get some nice light blue system signals, and we'll look for the next short to the downside. I don't think it's a good time to be out the markets. I think it's a great time. The volatility is increasing to the downside, and I think it's a great time to be short in these markets. Yes, we're going to get some kickback rallies, but it's a great time to be short in these markets. I think we can make money very quickly. But we're already positioned to the short side here. If you're not short already, why not? The Dow Jones Industrial Average has been really nice as well. We hit profit target yesterday, that first one at 33,893. If you're not taking advantage of these markets, guys, something is wrong. Next profit target, 33,107. Cracking move. And I think this next rally up, you'll get another opportunity to short these markets, guys. So get ready for the next rally. If you want to be watching these every day with us here at Trading College, let us know. Come and join us. Let's have a little look at the FTSE, because the FTSE for me has been the most strongest market. A nice pro trend system buy that went up a nice 230 points. We're sitting right at this big hot zone here after medium profit. Today we're getting a red pro trend system, so we might, this is what I think could happen here on the FTSE. Now if the indexes rally for a day or so, they're really weak. I'm not seeing many buyers come in, but if we do say get a rally, that means Wednesday we'll see that continuation. Maybe by Wednesday evening we'll see then the markets reversing lower back down. Now with the FTSE here, we could see a little bit of a sideways market and then the red PTS. Now we've not confirmed here, we need to close today and get that confirmation, but the FTSE here is due something like this. All right, and what did that give us? That gave us 300 points. I love trading the FTSE. It's relatively straightforward, easy market to trade, especially as a day trader. The euro dollar short side trades all the way down here on our red. By the way, red pro trend system, we're looking for short side trades. Green, we're looking for longs in a certain trending structure. You know, we're getting a hammer reversal here. Now, a lot of hammer reversal traders will be looking to buy the highs and the stop at the lows here. We're still red, so we've got to be a little bit careful. But I do think we may get, I mean, the short here was at 108. We're trading now. We've got 200 points profit out of that. Beautiful. Time to take profits, guys. Time to bank some profits here. Next one is 104.08. We might get there. We need some green on the board. If we get green, we can get out the trade. But I do think it's time to have a little look at banking some profits here. Dollar yen is now today meeting 148.99 profit target. The thing with the dollar yen is that we've got a three wave. In fact, it's 1, 2, 3, a four wave. Four waves on the storyteller are damaging for any trend. So if we're coming into a target here, which we are at 148.99 on the pro trend system, been a really nice move up to the upside, nice profitable one. then I think, and you can see this is working in real time here, guys. This is live markets. I think then we could have a little drop here. Let's see. Often when we get to PTS targets, we have a retracement. So let's see if we can get this market pushing lower. But it's been a great move to the upside. Once again, bank some profits on that. Oil, woke up to oil for a 100-point profit target this morning. It was really nice indeed. Let's go and find US crude oil. Really nice move. Now, we've had a lovely pro-trend system buy, met profit target. Storyteller was very bullish. But on the 4-hour time frame, which is a market I love, the time frame I love to trade, last night at Scan Club, we were turning red. Okay, so we had red, went all the way down to 87.93 profit target this morning. That was a lovely overnight 100-pointer. Very nice trade indeed. At £10 a point, you'd have made a grand overnight. What about gold? Because all those gold buffs out there, everyone's looking to go long gold. Well, we've been shorting gold, guys, on this move back down on the daily time frame. Let's have a little look at that. We had a short signal yesterday on the daily. That's been confirmed. Target on that on the daily 1894 and 1863. You can see the targets updating here in real time. We could get a nice flush to the downside. I do think it's time for the dollar index to have a pullback. I do think it's time for the euro dollar to have a little pushback rally. And I think that the next big move that I'm looking for is this. I don't often trade this currency pair, but we've got the Aussie versus the US dollar. Now, with our modern systems here, it's great, but also we've got good old-fashioned technical analysis. We've got a head and shoulders bottom setting up here. Now, the pattern is in play. We've already got the pattern. Now I'm looking, we've got a red pro-trend system sell, so I'm not going to be going long here. But if we can get down and get some profits further down, that's fine. But I'm looking to see whether we close red tonight. If we don't close red on the swing trade and turn green, I'm going to buy it because we're going to take off. Head and shoulders pattern is a reversal pattern. Using it with the pro-trend system and our momentum indicators is the holy grail. It is absolutely fantastic. So we need to understand trends, which is easy to do. We need to understand some of these chart patterns that we see. And then we combine the system with the colours, the entry. Because a lot of people get the direction right, but they don't make money because they get stopped out. They're too early, too late. The system here gives us great entry signals. All right, so I'm watching the Aussie dollar for the next big move, guys. Watch that. Come and join us and trade it with us at Trading College. We're out now the Aussie Swissy long trade. So we had this lovely higher low, momentum trigger, PTS buy, hit target after target, which was a really nice 200-point profit as well. All right, so just looking at other places to see if we get any more signals. I mean, the Nikkei was great to short last night with the trend predictor. We had a lovely short, so we had this red arrow telling us that we're going to go down. The next day we did go down. That was, in fact, one of the students pointed that one out for us on Monday night Scan Club, which was an absolute beaut. All right, just looking at the watch list here, and I think that's all the markets really that you'll be interested in. All right, so if you want to come and join us, trade with us, get all the system, get all the software, get all the coaching, get everything, then request a call back and put that name in the diary, and then Chris will call you. Speak to you soon. Take care.